are pretty songs, girls. Tap, tap, tap. Hi, Toby. Hi. Hi, Callista. No. What would you like, sweetheart? What? No, we are not having a cracker. We are not having any crackers. No crackers. No crackers. Can you sing some more? More, that's right. Can you sing? Can you say mommy? Can you say mama? No, we're not having more crackers. No crackers. Hi. Can you show me the sign for apple? That's good. Apple. Yeah, yes, I have cottage cheese. Can you show me the sign for thank you? Thank you. Can you show me the sign for thank you, Eleanor? That's close. Please. Can you say please? Thank you. Can you say please? No. Please? No. Hi. What are you doing? Toby, are you eating peaches? Not sure you like peaches. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye. Toby, can you say bye? Callista's saying bye. Bye.